Failure. A word that scares people. A word most try to avoid, but a word every successful person knows intimately. Welcome to Motivational 24 Hours. Today's message is for anyone who has fallen, lost, struggled, or felt stuck. This is for the dreamers who hit walls, the fighters who got knocked down, and the believers carrying scars nobody sees. Because here's the truth. Success isn't the absence of failure, it's what you do after it. 1. Failure is not the end. People fear failure because they think it means stop. They think it defines them. They think it exposes their limits. But failure is not a dead end. Failure is a redirection. Failure is a teacher. Failure is a wake-up call that says, you're on the right path, keep going. Adjust, grow. Every person you admire has failed more times than you've even tried. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times. Walt Disney was fired for lack of creativity. Oprah was told she didn't belong on television. Entrepreneurs, athletes, leaders, all forged through failure. You are not alone. You are not broken. You are in the process of becoming. 2. Your reaction to failure defines your future. Failure doesn't define you. Your response to it does. Some people fall and stay down. Some people fall and never try again. Some people fall and blame the world. But successful people? They stand back up. They learn. They try again, smarter, stronger, wiser. You get two choices every time you fail. Let it bury you. Let it build you. And your entire future depends on that choice. 3. Failure reveals your strength. You don't discover strength when things go right. You discover it when everything falls apart. Strength isn't built in comfort. It's built in chaos. It's built when nothing works, when plans collapse, when you feel lost, when you feel defeated, and you still find the courage to continue. The strength you gain from failure cannot be taught in books or courses. It is earned through experience, pain, and persistence. What you're going through right now, it's preparing you for something bigger than you can imagine. 4. Failure is proof that you tried. Some people never fail because they never try. They never take a chance. They never step outside their comfort zone. But not you. You took a risk. You tried. You pushed. You stretched yourself. And that alone sets you apart. Failing doesn't make you weak. Playing it safe does. Failure means you were brave enough to chase something meaningful. 5. Learn the lesson, not the shame. A lot of people carry shame after failure. They replay mistakes in their mind. They judge themselves harshly. They fear what others think. But failure isn't something to feel ashamed of, it's something to study. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? What can I do better next time? What is this failure trying to teach me? How can I grow from this? Turn the experience into wisdom. Turn the setback into strategy. Turn the frustration into fuel. Failure becomes powerful the moment you extract the lesson from it. 6. Success requires persistence. Many people quit right before things start to work. They stop when it gets tough. They walk away when they feel defeated. But every breakthrough has a breaking point before it. Every win is preceded by a struggle. Every success is built on a foundation of failures. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't. Persistence. Winners keep moving. Winners keep improving. Winners keep fighting even when nobody claps for them. Show up again. And again. And again. Success isn't a straight line. It's a messy, painful, unpredictable path, but those who keep walking eventually reach something incredible. 7. Your story isn't over. Failure can make you believe your story is finished. That you've had your chance. That it's too late. But listen carefully. Your story is still being written. Your future is still unfolding. Your potential is still alive. A single failure cannot stop the person who refuses to quit. Your breakthrough might not be today. It might not be tomorrow. But it is coming, if you keep going. Some chapters of life are dark. Some are painful. But they are not the whole book. You are still in the middle of your story. And the best chapters are ahead. 8. Failure builds champions. Champions are not born with confidence. They are not born with success. They are built through frustration, doubt, setbacks, rejections, hard lessons, sleepless nights, silent battles, and relentless resilience. What you are facing now, this pressure, this pain, this uncertainty, it is shaping you into someone unstoppable. Champions rise not because they never fall, but because they refuse to stay down. 9. Don't compare your chapter 2 to someone's chapter 21. Of the biggest mistakes people make after failure is comparison. You look at others and think, they're winning and I'm not. They succeeded faster. They're ahead of me. But you never see their failures. You never see their struggles. You never see their silent battles. Every success story has a hidden chapter filled with mistakes, doubt, and confusion. Stop measuring your journey against someone else's highlight reel. Your timing is unique. Your path is unique. Your success will be unique. 10. Use failure as fuel. Failure can do two things: break you or build your motivation to come back stronger. Let it fuel your comeback. Let it push you. Let it sharpen your focus. Let it turn you into a better version of yourself. Say to yourself, this is not where my story ends. I will rise from this. I will rebuild. I will succeed because of this, not despite it. Your comeback will be more powerful than you think. 11. You are stronger than your mistakes. You are not defined by your failures. You are defined by your resilience. You are defined by your courage. You are defined by your determination. You have survived things that were supposed to break you. You have overcome battles nobody knows about. You have made it through every hard day life has thrown at you. You are stronger than you realize. And you're capable of far more than you think. Your mistakes don't limit your future. Your mindset does. And today, your mindset changes. 12. Turn your setback into your comeback. This is your comeback moment. This is your turning point. This is the chapter where everything begins to shift. You've failed, yes. But now you rise. Now you rebuild. Now you move forward with more wisdom, strength, and clarity. Success is waiting on the other side of persistence. Your comeback story is waiting to be written. And the world is waiting to see what you become. Conclusion. Rise again. You've fallen, but you are not finished. You've failed, but you are not defeated. You've struggled, but you have not surrendered. Failure is not your enemy, it's your greatest tool. Your greatest teacher. Your greatest turning point. So stand up. Shake off the doubt. Wipe the dust from your shoulders. And take the next step. Your success begins now. Your strength begins now. Your comeback begins now. Because success doesn't belong to those who never fail, it belongs to those who rise after failure.